Welcome to another video from Immigration Art. My name is Art Serratelli. We have clients nationwide. We are available in all 50 states to assist you as needed. The employment-based green cards are stratified in three general groupings. The lower the number of the preference grouping, the longer the wait time. And you can find the wait times for employment-based green cards at the URL that I am going to direct you to next. Okay, so there's three basic categories for employment-based green cards. The first preference is for very special, highly skilled people who essentially don't have to wait very long for the green card. Their category is current, usually all the time, and the only wait they have is the wait that it takes for the government to process the actual paperwork. The second category, the employment-based preference 2, EB-2 green card category, is reserved for people in a job that requires a master's degree or higher, and advertising is required. Before you can take a job permanently out of the American workforce, we need to advertise the job to make sure no American is available or qualified to do it in your geographic area. So we put ads, among other things, we put ads in the local paper. This process of advertising is called the labor certification process, the PERM labor certification process. There are two other types of green cards in this category. One is an EB-2 National Interest Waiver green card. If you're working in the national interest as a scientist or someone in academics, then your work is so important to the United States, your work is in the national interest, that we don't want you to advertise. We don't want any old American to do the job. We want you. So a national interest waiver, what are we waiving? What's the waiver? We're waiving the requirement to advertise so you can get the green card faster. And the third type of EB-2 green card is for someone with exceptional ability. Again, this is a quick overview. It is quick. Each one of these topics can be an entire video. So just get familiar with the categories and give us a call if you've got questions. The third preference employment-based category, EB-3, that is for folks who are in a job that requires a bachelor's degree. This category typically is the longest in terms of waiting time, because it's not only just people with a job that requires a bachelor's degree that's in this category. It's also, quote, skilled workers and other workers. So it could be anybody from an in-home caregiver to a chef to a construction worker with special skills. In other words, people with bachelor's degrees are lumped in with so many other kinds of people. Nurses are in this category. You're lumped in with so many other people that there's just too many people in line for too few green cards. That's why the wait is too long. This is just an overview to give you an idea of what's out there and what's available, so you have an idea of what categories you fit into. And the good news is you can apply for a green card in as many categories as you qualify for. If you qualify for a green card in 2 or 3 categories, file 3 cases, and the one that gets approved first is the winner.